In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Scrolling Block's Squarespace 7.1 Classic Editor. To begin, open the page where you want to add the scrolling block. Once you are on that page, go to the top left corner and click Edit. This will put the page into editing mode so you can make changes to the layout and add new content blocks. After you enter the editor, move your mouse over the page and look carefully above or below your existing text, images, or other content. As you hover, a black horizontal line will appear with a small plus icon. This is called the insert point. It shows you exactly where the new block will be placed on the page. When you see it in the position you want, click the plus icon to open the content block menu. Once the menu opens, you can either scroll through the list of available blocks or use the search bar to save time. Type in scrolling, then select the scrolling block when it appears. This is the block you will use to create that moving marquee-style text effect inside the Squarespace 7.1 Classic Editor. As soon as you select it, the scrolling block will be added directly into your page layout. You will immediately see a horizontal marquee appear with placeholder text, and in many cases, it may also include an emoji. This gives you a quick preview of how the block looks and confirms that it has been inserted successfully. At this point, the main goal is simply to make sure the block appears in the right location on your page. If the insert point was placed above your existing content, the scrolling block will appear there. If it was placed below, it will show up underneath. That is why choosing the insert point carefully is important before adding the block. A helpful tip here is to take your time when hovering for the insert point, especially if your page has several sections close together. Waiting for that black line and plus icon to appear in the exact spot you want can make the editing process much smoother and help you avoid placing the block in the wrong area. Once you see the horizontal scrolling marquee on the page, you have successfully added the scrolling block in Squarespace 7.1 Classic Editor. From there, you are ready for the next stage of editing and customization if needed. That covers everything you need to know.